Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I moisturize my hair while I'm in braids. So if you'd like to see how I do that, then keep watching. Okay guys, so the products that I'll be using for this is quite simple. I'm using this leave-in moisturizer. It's the Hawaiian Silky Miracle Wonder Worker, and that I'll be using as my moisturizer. And also I'm using this hair food by Care. Absolutely love this. I've been using it for a number of years now, and it's very lightweight, so it doesn't have like a lot of buildup. Now I also have a spray bottle, and in this spray bottle I basically have water, water up to here, and then the rest of it I put aloe vera juice. And so what I do is I would section off my hair, but I'll just basically just demonstrate how I do this. So basically what I do is I spray my scalp all over, and then I use this and just spray, and it smells amazing. Oh, I love the way it smells. So this not only that it moisturizes your hair, it also smells good, so your hair be smelling good. And then I use the hair food to lock in that moisture, and it helps with hair growth as well. So let's get started. Oh, it smells so good. So I'm gonna start on the sides again. I know, I think I probably put some here already, but you know, put a little bit more. And the scalp feels so nice. Okay, so that's basically it. So what I'll do now is I'll go ahead and do my regular edges. If you have not seen how I do my edges, I'll link that video below so you can see how I tame my edges. And so basically that's it. And then for the rest of the hair, what I'll do is I'll just put some in the palm of my hand, and I just run it down the shaft of my braids. And boy, oh boy, does it smell good. Be smelling real good. And it looks good too. So that is that. So I will go ahead and do my edges now, and then I will just go out. But yeah, that is how I moisturize my hair while in braids. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.